everyone, and thanks for logging on to watch HISD Now, your daily update celebrating the big wins happening across Houston ISD. And we have a lot to be proud of. By now, you've likely heard that we have 0 F-rated schools thanks to the hard work of our teachers, students, and staff. And the momentum isn't stopping there. We're now talking the Houston Promise, a bold commitment to our students and families that by August 2027, every HISD campus will be rated an A or B. Because when we say all means all, we mean it. And it's not just the district celebrating. Community members across Houston also excited about what the future holds for our schools and our city.
I love what we're doing. I'm pro HISD, and it only took 2 years to get me there, but I was there from the first day. You know why? We had to do something different. We couldn't continue to do the same old stuff, you know? Yep. So now we're doing something very positive. I'm excited. Let's just keep doing it.
And one standout example is Kolter Elementary. It's a school known for its vibrant foreign language magnet program where students study Mandarin, Spanish, or French. They've also created a unique outdoor learning space they call the Grass Room. We'll be sharing more on that as part of our Campus Close-Up series, but today's spotlight is all about Hispanic Heritage Month. 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students at Kolter Elementary are celebrating and learning about the month through a creative and meaningful project that their teacher, Miss Enriquez, told us all about. Students explored Spanish-speaking countries, learning about the food, culture, and notable people. That story is up on the channel right now. It's also on Facebook and Instagram. And don't miss tomorrow's feature. We're talking to 2 Kolter teachers, one who's been there 14 years and another who's just getting started. Find out what keeps them inspired and why they say Kolter feels like home. Well, thanks for watching HISD Now. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected so you can celebrate the wins with us. We'll see you here tomorrow. Have a great evening.